Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So I just want to wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. If I haven't get to see you during Christmas time, you know how the Christmas go. I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, you guys, and stay safe as always. And today, you guys, I am going to do an eyeshadow look from this palette, and this is from Pure Festival. I have this palette for a while, so I just want to do something nice on my eyes today. So if it's your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing for my diehard subscriber. Welcome you back. Thank you again. So today I already do my brows, you know, the brow thing, and also I also conceal my eye today. I'm using a concealer on my eyes. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend. So guys, this is my final look for the holiday season. So I add some of the glitter from the eyeshadow to my lip and also to my cheekbone here. You can see it. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Have a happy holiday. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and bless as always. And I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.